So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So finally Oneplus have started rolling out the second alpha build of Android 14, also known as OxygenOS 14. In this video we'll talk about what all changes we get to see on this second build of Android 14 for OnePlus 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 11 on which I have already updated. First of all, let me show you the about section. Here you can see it still says OxygenOS 13.1 like the previous build, which was the first alpha build. But if you see here towards the bottom side, it says 14.0.0.41 and it's based on Android 14. If we talk about the security patch is of 5th August 2023. And guys, there were a few changes which were done with the first build itself. So before watching this video, make sure to watch the video which is being displayed on the screen, because I won't be repeating all those features which I've already covered in first build. Before talking about the changelogs, so one noticeable change what I saw here under the storage section, before it used to display the used storage, but now it only shows the progress bar in terms of used storage. Before we used to see the numbers also. For example, if I had used 40 GB, it used to show 40/256 GB, but now it only shows the total storage and the progress bar to indicate the remaining storage. And you can also see slight changes in the update section. The UI is slightly changed. Update available text is now bigger compared to the previous one, or you can say 13.1. So here are the changelogs which you can see. With this second build, they have only done few fixes. Nothing new have been added. But I found out few Android 14 features and we'll talk about them in this video. Before that, here are the benchmark results. With single core device, I've scored 1906 and with multi-core scores are 5161. Kind of similar to the previous build of Android 14. But a lot of throttling issues were seen, and the same story was on the first alpha build. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing. So first Android 14 feature, what you'll notice after installing this build, and that's related to copying text. So let me show you an example. First of all, if I go to Chrome and if I tap and select the text, instead of tapping on this copy option, I can just long press and drag and drop this text wherever I want. For example, if I want to send this text to someone, I just have to drop it and I'm good to go. Also, another thing which I'm not sure about the imaging stuff, image we cannot drag and drop, but we can copy the image and paste it in the messaging app. So this one I'm not sure whether it was present or not, but for example, if I copy the image, I can just go to messaging app and paste the same image here. So you guys let me know whether this thing was already present or not on 13.1. And if you guys are wondering if we'll get the lock screen customization, so right now on this second alpha build, still we don't have any hint of that. On the lock screen, you'll see this minor change. We now have these pills around the numbers. Also, another thing which I noticed is related to predictive gesture. So right now predictive gesture is not working with applications present on OnePlus 11, or you can say stock OnePlus applications, though it works with the dialer which is from Google. So let me show you. Here you can see the predictive back gesture works fine with the Google application, but it doesn't work with the applications like OnePlus Gallery. Another Android 14 change what you'll see, and that's related to the permissions. So if you have any application which requires photos permission, now you can give permission to the limited photos instead of allowing access to all the photos, where you'll get this option, select photos and videos. So depending on the required photos, you can select them and give the permission. In my previous video, I did mention few UI changes which are done in the camera application, where they have also added 5x zoom option, and I did click few pictures in this mode and I found out 5x zoom is not required until unless it is optimized well. If you click pictures with 5x zoom, it lacks details and there's a lot of color shifting happening. Other than the UI, camera application doesn't have any kind of changes. On this build, another change is related to PIP mode. Now you can see we do have the rounded corners instead of those squarish ones which we used to see on 13.1. Also, after installing this update, when I was inside the settings page under security and privacy, I saw this pop-up of review app with background location access. So from here you can check out if any application is using your location services or other important things in the background. You can review them and block the access of that particular app. Battery backup wasn't that good on the previous build, which was first alpha build. So things like battery, performance, all these things I'll be covering in the review video. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. So guys, there's nothing much to showcase in this video because I did not find any major changes compared to the previous build, though I'll still be testing out this build thoroughly and will also update you guys about the bugs available on this. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.